You don't have to worry about excess fat when eating potatoes because they only contain 0.1% fat, which is the lowest fat content among all hunger-satisfying foods. Eating more potatoes every day can reduce fat intake and allow the body to gradually metabolize excess fat. Nutrition experts assert that by eating only soybeans and potatoes at each meal, you can get all the nutrients your body needs. Therefore, dieters do not need to worry about malnutrition caused by eating potatoes. Let's stir-fry onion potato today. Onion, potato, dried chilies, onion cut into small pieces, sliced potato. Soaking potatoes in cold water helps remove excess starch. Excess starch can inhibit the potatoes from cooking evenly, as well as creating a gummy or sticky texture on the outside of your potatoes. Cold water is used because hot water would react with the starch, activating it, making it harder to separate from the potatoes. Cut dried chilies into small pieces. Press potato with spatula to test if is cooked. Is still hard, let it simmer longer until softened. Add hot water if too dry. Delicious stir-fry onion potato is done. If you don't like spicy food, you can omit the dried chili or add minced meat to stir-fry them. Lean and cook for your family too. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I share delicious and simple recipes every day. If you like cooking, don't miss it, yeah. Follow my channel now. And when you need recipe inspiration, just click on my page, as there are thousands of delicious recipes waiting for you. If you are willing, please also leave me a like too. Thank you all. Potatoes are rich in nutrients and are one of the anti-aging foods. When people think of nutritious and anti-aging foods, they tend to think of high-end rare foods such as ginseng, bird's nest, royal jelly, etc., but rarely think of popular goods like potatoes. In fact, potatoes are rich in B-complex vitamins such as vitamins B1, B2, B6, pantothenic acid, and a large amount of high-quality fiber. They also contain nutrients such as trace elements, amino acids, proteins, fats, and high-quality starch. These ingredients play an important role in the human body. However, those who lose weight should pay attention to eating potatoes as a staple food rather than as a dish. Boiled potatoes, French fries, or hash browns are all great choices. Consistently eating only potatoes for one meal a day is very effective in preventing overnutrition or losing excess fat. Onions have a pungent taste and are rich in dietary fiber, which can stimulate the gastrointestinal tract to secrete digestive juices, promote gastrointestinal motility, and have the effects of promoting digestion, increasing appetite, and preventing constipation. Allicin and sulfur-containing compounds contained in onions have strong bactericidal capabilities. These ingredients can resist influenza viruses, resist cold and sweating, inhibit bacteria, and prevent corrosion, and prevent colds. At the same time, these ingredients also have expectorant and diuret. Cardiovascular patients can protect their heart by eating half an onion every day, such as black fungus mixed with onions. For people with poor gastrointestinal function, it is not recommended to eat it raw. If you want to achieve the effect of lowering blood pressure and lipids, it is recommended to eat it raw because its active ingredients will not be destroyed by heating when eaten raw. Onions can improve bone density. Onions also contain a certain amount of calcium. In recent years, Swiss scientists have discovered that eating onions regularly can improve bone density and help prevent and treat osteoporosis. Hope you like this recipe. Do follow my channel so you will have 1,000 recipes to refer for your cooking. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.